Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, in this shiny day, we're gonna visit together a city called Rouen, the city of Jeanne d'Arc, one of the oldest cities in France, in Normandy region. This city is not far from Paris. I'm sure you have never heard about, so this is your chance now to see and to discover this wonderful small city. So, because this place is called Le Vieux Marché, you will certainly find an old market where you can buy traditional dishes. The dog is so excited to buy as well. So funny. I'm pretty sure you noticed that the architecture is a bit similar to the Vikings, but also it has some heritage of Normandy architecture, so the bâtiment is very special. You have also some cafes, hotels, old ones and restaurants around if you want to have some good time and some good meals. Place du Vieux Marché is the most famous spot in Rouen, and it's in the center. Nice decoration, by the way. The design and the architecture you can see is very special, and which will remind you of Middle Age France. Interesting. I don't know if I should buy. Probably I will wait, but not bad. This road is the main one that takes you to the other side of the old city. You have some patisserie. What you see there is the Gros-Horloge, is one of the most famous spots in Rouen and the things you have to see when you are here. It's a gold clock. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the details. It's very special. So this is called Le Gros-Horloge. It's very famous. Rouen is very famous by this giant clock. You have more You can have here some snacks, some sandwiches with cheese, You have all kinds of information. Alright guys, this magnificent building is called Cathédrale de Notre-Dame de Rouen. You shouldn't miss the spot, it's very magnificent. We also decided to go for some Korean restaurants for lunch. And to be honest, we did very well in this cold weather. The dish was very warm in this nice view. We were also looking for a nice patisserie as a dessert after our nice lunch. It's wonderful.
Please, please.
Wow, this is good. This is some real. This place is called Palais de Justice. It also has a wonderful architecture. The details are very amazing. You can notice the identity of the buildings in Rouen and the Normandy region. This is the flag of the Normandy region. 2 lions on a red flag. Guys, this is another wonderful spot you shouldn't miss. Dam cakes. If you want to have an amazing tea time, this is your favorite place. Don't miss it. It's wonderful. We couldn't enter because many people were waiting outside, but next time. And this facade is the behind of Cathédrale Notre-Dame. What a gem. By the way, I think I said that before, this city is the city of Joan d'Arc, the famous historical figure, the famous warrior. And in this place you have her museum and her historial if you want to visit. Then you have another church. This church is called Église catholique Saint-Maclou of Rouen. The design is different, besides some traditional houses. Allez, merci beaucoup, merci à vous. You can see the details. Magic. By the way, those candles right there reminded me of Harry Potter. This is the barrière jardin of the cathedral, the behind. And of course, this is the Christmas market. And this is the main entrance of the cathedral. Another angle for you. Very beautiful, isn't it? Alright, this facade is since the reign of Louis le Grand. And here again you have another church. Alright guys, you can see here in Rouen, it's not only about what I showed you before, like the city and the old city and the old architecture, but also you have the Riverside where you can take some boats, you can have dinner here, you can have a long walk here. I think the style resembles to what's in Netherlands, for example. And this river, by the way, is called La Seine. It's the continuity of the river you see in Paris. Yeah, look at that, guys. And then there you have the river. You have there you have the bridge. It's called Bridge Gustave Flaubert. It's very big, and it takes you to the highway, etc., to the other side. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Our visit in Rouen city ends here. I really hope you visit this wonderful city when you come to Paris and France. I will be filming more of the Normandy region. Take care, thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Thank you very much guys, take care, bye.